If you're learning Salesforce, you would have heard the usual advice. Go to Trailhead, join the community, or spin up a developer org. And yes, those are amazing, but what happens after that? What if you've been in the ecosystem for a while and want to level up faster? Today, we'll run through 11 free Salesforce training resources that go beyond the basics. There are some really exciting newer resources emerging, along with some long-standing favorites. All of them are worth a look. Let's get into it. First up is Agentforce Now. It brings together expert-led workshops, AMAs, and live coding sessions. This isn't passive learning, it's all designed to help you learn by doing. You actually build AI agents while following along with experts. If you want practical experience with Agentforce or Data Cloud, this is a strong place to start. There's a full schedule you can take a look at, which is linked in the related article in the description. Next is Slack School. This is a newer learning series hosted by Mike Reynolds. It's designed for admins, developers, consultants, and architects. The videos cover real workplace topics, things like managing notifications or using Slackbot effectively. Currently, there are 10 videos in the series, with new sessions released regularly, so the content keeps growing. If you use Slack alongside Salesforce, this one is surprisingly useful. If you haven't yet come across Code with Sally, it's a newer addition to the Salesforce learning space, launched around 2024. With over 150 videos, the channel offers content that's an approachable entry point into Salesforce development. It includes a completely free Apex 101 course. You'll also find content on Visualforce and Lightning Web Components, making it ideal for aspiring developers or admins moving into coding. Next is a pretty new video series called Kate Clicks Through It. This series comes directly from the Salesforce admin team led by Kate Lessard. Videos are short, usually under 12 minutes. Topics include flow errors, AI flow features, and approvals. There are also videos on improving user experience and record page design. Quick lessons, real admin problems, easy to fit into your day. Another excellent admin resource is How I Solved It, hosted by Jennifer W. Lee. Each episode focuses on solving real Salesforce challenges. This is available through the Salesforce admin playlist on YouTube and currently has 54 videos. Jen is often joined by members of the Salesforce community, making the episodes feel authentic and genuinely enjoyable. It's less theory and more, here's how this actually works. This one's a pretty obvious choice, the Salesforce architecture blog. After the previous architect team was disbanded, lots were worried about the future of the blog. Well, it has now officially returned, and that's great news for anyone interested in scalable design. Recent posts focus on communication skills for architects, not just technical knowledge, but how to explain complex ideas clearly. Even if you're not an architect, these skills matter. The new architect team has also launched a new livestream series called Think Like an Architect. Episodes run monthly on LinkedIn. They walk through realistic scenarios and have introduced a simple, repeatable 3-step framework that you can apply across projects. The goal is practical thinking, not abstract theory. Admins, developers, and technical leaders can all benefit from this mindset. Rad Women Code supports women and underrepresented groups learning Salesforce development. The focus is on building real solutions rather than just watching tutorials, enabling you to truly grasp and get comfortable with Apex coding principles. What makes it special is the community. Mentors and peers help create a safe place to learn and experiment. It's a powerful environment for building confidence. If you want practical technical tutorials, look at Coding with the Force, created by architect Matt Gary. The channel covers real-world topics. You'll learn things like writing efficient SQL queries or automating tasks with Apex. Content is organized into easy-to-follow courses, so progression feels structured. You can move from beginner concepts to advanced skills naturally. Another community favorite is Infallible Techie. This channel has more than 800 tutorials. Most videos are short and easy to digest. There are also a few deep dive videos for when you really want to dig into the details. Topics range from declarative customization to coding solutions. It's perfect for when you need quick answers or focused learning sessions. Finally, we have Salesforce Vault. They created a hands-on crash course for Salesforce Data 360, formerly Data Cloud. In the project, you'll work to unify siloed customer data from 2 companies into a single customer profile. Then you use that data to uncover insights like lifetime bookings and value. It's a practical way to understand Data Cloud in action. Finding genuinely great free Salesforce training can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. There's so much content out there, but not all of it helps you grow. These resources stand out because they are practical, current, and built by real practitioners. And whether you're an admin developer or architect, there is something here for your next step. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more Salesforce career and learning content.